Hey there. Tired of feeling like you're trapped in a chemistry lab every time you step into your home or office? Longing for the fresh air of the great outdoors? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to show you how to get rid of off-gassing smells. Whether it's new furniture, paint, carpet, or cleaning products causing that stench, we've got you covered with a bunch of natural and effective methods. So, grab your nose plugs. Just kidding, you won't need them, and let's dive in. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! First things first, we gotta figure out where that off-gassing smell is coming from. Different materials and products can emit different chemicals, and the solutions for busting those odors might vary depending on the source. So, take a stroll around the room and try to sniff out where the smell is strongest. Is it that new sofa? Freshly painted walls? Or maybe you just had the carpets cleaned? Pinpoint the culprit, and we'll tackle it from there. Now, let's get some fresh air in. Open up those windows and doors, and if possible, create a cross breeze by opening windows on opposite sides of the room. Don't forget to open interior doors too, to let that air flow freely. Oh, and if it's sweltering outside, try opening windows during cooler times like early mornings or late evenings. Get those fans going. Ceiling fans, box fans, portable fans, they're all great for circulating air and kicking those odors to the curb. Alright, next up, air purifiers. These bad boys can filter out pollutants and improve your indoor air quality. Just make sure you grab one with a HEPA filter, as they're the most effective at capturing off-gassing chemicals. When you buy an air purifier, choose one designed for the size of the room you want to purify. And don't be afraid to splurge on extra features like a carbon filter or UV light for even cleaner air. Place your shiny new purifier in the room, experiment with different spots, and let it run for several hours or even overnight to work its magic. Got an HVAC system at home? Switch it on. It can help improve air circulation and filter out pollutants, including those pesky off-gassing chemicals. Now, let's talk activated charcoal. This stuff is amazing at trapping chemicals in its pores and removing them from the air. Simply pour some activated charcoal into a bowl or container, place it in the affected area, and let it do its thing for several hours or overnight. When you're done, dispose of it properly or reactivate it in the oven at 225 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour to use it again. You know what else is a fantastic odor neutralizer? Baking soda. Sprinkle it evenly over surfaces like carpets, furniture, or other affected areas, and let it sit for several hours or overnight. Once it's done absorbing those nasty odors, vacuum it all up and enjoy the freshness. Good old vinegar can also help break down odor-causing molecules and neutralize the smell. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle, spray it on the surfaces you want to treat, and let it sit for several hours or overnight. Wipe down the surfaces afterward with a damp cloth or sponge, and you're good to go. Just remember to test it on a small hidden spot first to make sure it's safe for the material. And don't forget about essential oils. They're a natural and delightful way to mask off-gassing smells and make your space smell amazing. Oils like lavender, peppermint, lemon, and eucalyptus are fantastic choices. Just fill a diffuser with water, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, and let it run for several hours or overnight. Remember to keep the area well ventilated while using essential oils. Last but not least, ditch those chemical cleaners. They're often a major source of off-gassing in homes and offices. Instead, go for natural cleaning products or homemade solutions made from vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, or essential oils. Use them in a well-ventilated area, and you'll be breathing easy in no time. And there you have it, folks. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to banishing those off-gassing odors and enjoying a fresher, cleaner space. So, what are you waiting for? Give these methods a try, and let us know how they work for you in the comments below. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.